In the last tutorial, we have generated a war file from the chunk of or the bulk of files, and now what we are going to do is we are going to create a jar file, that is Java archive file, and with the help of jar file we are going to run the web application. So what I'm going to do is instead of war, I'm just changing the word as jar. What it will do is you can see when I select save, it will resolve all the dependency and it will perform the operation at the background itself. And to create a jar file, what we will do is we will type mvn, then followed by the same command which we have used in the previous tutorial, mvn clean, then package, press enter. So it will create a war file for us. The same thing I done for the war file. So it will add every jar file into the jar file, into the single jar file. So it will take some step, and at last it has generated. Yeah, now you can see the demo -0.0.1 snapshot.jar. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in the desktop, and I'm going to rename it, say app.jar. So to run the war file we need an application server, so that we will put that war file into the application server so it will run. So to run the jar file, what we have to do is we have to just need a Java in our environment. So I'm going to run this jar file with the help of Java. So I'm going to the command cmd, then followed by, so this is located in the desktop folder, so I'll type cd followed by desktop. So I type dir, so I can see the file app.jar is there. So to run this, the command is java space -jar followed by the app.jar. So when I press enter, what it will do is it will start the Spring framework, and this will have the Tomcat integrated into it, and this will start the Tomcat with the port number 8080, and I'm going to run this. Slow close to 8080. So it's taking some time. So we can see here the white label error page, because we have not given the mapping function or the mapping path. So let me type the path hello world. Yeah, we'll be getting the same result, and you can see the servlet is initialized and every type of command will be there. So with the help of the single jar file, we can able to create a web application like this. So normally the programmer, they will prefer the war file because they will have the application server and they will deploy everything into it. But this is the other way, like we'll generate a jar file, and using the command java space -jar space app.jar, we can create and run a Spring Boot application. And because the main thing is it will have the integrated Tomcat into it, with the help of this Tomcat this will run the application. And when you generate a war file, we can put that war file in some application server like Apache Tomcat, etc. And these are the two ways in which we can generate the archive file from the bunch of the programs. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the video.